Hey YouTube, so in today's episode we are talking about headlights. You know, the cars, the modern day cars, in the long run, the headlight hazed like that, okay, and like that. And you can no longer see through it, into it, and when you turn on the light at night, the light doesn't shine as bright as it used to anymore. So I thought about making this video to show you that you can use basically almost anything to make the haze go away. So I thought about it real hard and I said, okay, so what's the best thing I could do to show everybody you can do this without breaking the bank. So I have here the Turtle Wax rubbing compound. That's a polishing compound for waxing your car, for detailing. And I have the new finish, the once a year car polish. Now I want to let you know that these little things right here, they don't look much, but they do work on getting rid of the haze. Which one gets the haze out the most, we don't know, but we will see. Okay, so I'm gonna try the Turtle Wax rubbing compound on this side and the new finish on that side, and we'll see the result. Okay, so what we'll do, we shake this. Okay, now this is just regular rubbing compound, wax stuff that you can get from your local auto parts store. You can even get it at Walmart. Okay. So apply a little bit of it here, and then what you do, you just apply it to here in circular motion like this. Okay. And then watch the magic work, guys. Okay. So then I'm gonna leave that here and let it dry. Okay. So now this is the part that I used. Okay, this right here for the Turtle Wax. I'm gonna use this corner for the new finish. Shake. Okay. You can see that it's hazing up on that side because it's getting dry. So I put a little bit, apply a little bit of this here. Okay. And then you can see I'm not even using a lot of pressure. I'm just wiping it on, applying it on like that. See that? Hope you can see this. And then I just let this thing dry. Okay, so let's take a look at that thing. So here is the new finish. This corner is for that, and let's see, this corner is Turtle Wax. Okay, so it's dry to the touch. So I'm going to use another corner that's dry. I'm just going to rub it there. Okay. So now, I don't know if you can see, but now I can see the light bulb inside. Okay. Okay. And I can see the light bulb inside. Let's do this side. Okay. Switch to another corner with no wax on. And then you see, I'm not even using a lot of strength. I'm just polishing, wiping this. And now I can see the light bulb inside. Okay. So, what's the point in testing out these two products? Okay. So, don't know if you could see it. See, I can see the light bulb inside, okay, from this stance, this angle, and I can see the light bulb inside here too. So it definitely took out the haze, okay. So Let me take a look at this again. Here, I can see it clearly. This is the old car. It's a 2008 model. And this is the original headlight that came with my car. I'm the original owner. It's got 200,000 miles on it, so it's been through a lot. So definitely that worked for me. Here, it's about the same thing. I can see the light bulb in here. I can't tell the difference between the two. Be honest with you, they work. As far as which one's the best, I don't know. I can't tell the difference. I'm gonna give these two product right here a even match. The reason is because it's not because it's my car. The reason is because I can't tell the difference. Okay, that's the honest truth. And I'll show you here. All right. See, from this angle, you can see the light bulb inside. Okay. From this angle, you can also see the light bulb inside. It's an old car, guys. What do you expect from an old car? So anyway, what do I get out of this? What I got out of this is that you don't have to break the bank to make the haze go away. These little compound right here, they work. I've been using this as a car polish for a long time, and gosh, I've had this for a long time, and this as well. And let me know what your thoughts are. To me, it works. It's cheap. So hopefully you find this thing helpful to you. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. But that's how I polished my hazed headlight. So anyway, that's that.